Yeah, you know I'm a beast. You know I'm a beast. Welcome to the feast. My whole team off the leash. We don't know defeat.
Hello traders, this is Rich from BreathingWithTheMarkets.com. Today is July 1st, can you believe it? July 1st, 2025. This year is moving fast. So I traded Topstep today. Let's go ahead and get it. Hope everyone did well in the market today. Hope you did well in the market. Today's profit, $1,794.66. Again, today's profit, $1,794.66. I'm already done for the day. Wow, look at these aggressive candles. Going in size in the market. 10, 15 minis. Can you do it? I wouldn't suggest it. If you don't know what you're doing, don't even think about it. Let's see what these candles are like. Powell's supposed to be speaking at 6:30 or in the Fed or whatever. Manufacturing came out at 5 point. Manufacturing came out today high. So a lot of volatility in the market. Gotta love volatility. 138 ticks on this whipsaw candle right here. From top to bottom, 138 ticks. 138 ticks. Look at this. See if I can find this stuff on here. I don't use it. Turn this magnet off. Purple again. What the fuck? I think it's just, I want to say it's actually all the support and resistance traders. What happened? Blew through there. Weren't you going to take it short because of the strong move down? Right? What about here? Blew through that. So let's say you had some size on here, right? Your account's wiped out. Your account's wiped out here. Let's say you had size on here. Your account's wiped out again. So either way, your account would be wiped out with size. Trading support and resistance. Then they would come back and say, well, that's not the zone I would use. Once again, that's not the zone I would use. I would use something over here or down here or here. Don't listen to the bullshit, okay? Don't listen to the bullshit. This is support and resistance, right? Support, resistance. That's what they're trading, right? This is a 1 minute chart, right? Whether that's a daily chart, a 4-hour chart, 30-minute chart, doesn't fucking matter. Support resistance is support and resistance. Don't you know? Right? So if you're a support and resistance trader, you only pick the zone that works, like after the fact? Are you fucking, I mean, you're really scamming people if you think support and resistance is working, right? And then you go back and show all of these opportunities where there are positive results. Support resistance is probably one of the lowest probability trades. And the reason being is they're all different. They all have different values. They're not consistent. The word in itself means nothing. Which one is support? Which candle is support here? They couldn't fucking tell you. They don't know. What about here? Oh, it's arranging, and it blew right through that. It blew right through that. So if you're trading size and you're sitting here going to take a position long on this support, your account's blown. It's blown. Don't know how to trade. It's guessing and gambling. But let's back up. Support resistance, they call a strategy. I'm a support resistance trader. What the fuck does that mean? You just got your shit blown out here and here.
Bruh, look at this dude.
And probably again.
Wait till you see
So it's absolutely crazy. Let's take a look at some of these other candles here. These guys are scared to trade. If their confidence in the 63 ticks on this candle right here, 63 ticks at $20 a tick, $20 a tick per contract. So if you just did the math, right? 20 times 15 equals 300 times 300 times 63, $18,918 right here, this candle. And if I did the math correctly, and if I didn't, sorry, but $20 a tick times 15, so 20 times 15, 300 times 63. Oh, just on this one little candle, $18,900. That's the big dogs, right? It's like what your skill level's at, right? And I'm not talking about people that are learning, not talking about people that are fine-tuning their skill, right? What I'm talking about, let's talk about reality here. So if we had 300 times 138, 300 times 138 ticks, this is a $41,000 move right here, from this line up here to here. $41,000 move, trading size. $41,000. So you can figure it out. Can you trade size? That's not a challenge. That's not trying to challenge people to trade size, because don't trade size. And if you're trading size and you don't know what the fuck you're doing, you're gambling. You are gambling. Don't try to be like someone else. But don't sit here, all of these gurus out here that are talking about size and everything else, and they're out there gambling. And then what happens is traders that are trying to learn try to follow them. Absolutely crazy. But look at the volatility here. So let's check it out. 52. So even 56, 52 ticks, right? So if you're sized in, $15,000 moves and $15,600 moves in 1 minute to $40,000 moves in 1 minute. You better know what the fuck you're doing in the market because it'll wipe you out. It will wipe you out. That's the bottom line. It will wipe you out. So, but look at this. So go ahead and erase this. Nice moves, huh? So if you know how to trade this and you know what price is doing right now, then there's nothing to be scared about. If you don't know how to trade it and you're trying to become a support and resistance guru follower, I'm telling you right now, quit trading because that shit ain't gonna work. That shit right there is not going to work. Your ass, it'll get blown right through. That type of shit's not working, man. And let's see what price does. If you have any size whatsoever, and
Look at this dude.
oh god, live. This is live in the market. Oh,
no,
you guys,
no,
man,
no.
this shit. This is who you're following. Support resistance gurus. I can't trade my way out of the box. Look at this. This is what they would say, right? Let's just say what happened to their account. Let's just see what happened to their account, okay? Let's check this out. 91. So let's check it out, right? 91 times 300. 91 times 300, if that's correct. $27,300 in the negative.
Oh, shit.
Within a spike.
Here we go again.
Boom! Within a spike. What are they thinking? Oh, but wait. They're on a 500 to 1 leverage. Nothing
Oh,
is going to
shit.
stop
Here
a
we
trade.
go again.
You must learn how to trade the market. You must learn how to trade the market. A name, support resistance, a crossover, 20 crossing over the 50 moving average. I trade highs and lows. All of that shit, very, very low probability trades. Those who even push it don't even know about trading. Again, those who push that shit truly don't even know how to trade. If you want to learn how I trade on a daily basis, go to breathingwiththemarkets.com and I will teach you. I will mentor you one-on-one and show you how to approach that market on a daily basis. Objective evidence, following the market, learning how to trade. Absolutely, actually learning how to navigate through the market. The market has a language and you must understand that language. Trading just highs and lows, liquidity sweeps, support and resistance, those are all just names. That's it, they're names. Who named them? Who cares? Why? Who says it's support? That's fucking wrong. Okay. Resistance. If support resistance was accurate, then price would stop and turn around each and every time, right? But the problem is they don't know where support and resistance is because the clock starts on the seconds and goes to the months and years, right? That's a fact. Starts at the seconds and goes to the months and years. Where's your support? Where's your resistance? Price has to move up and down in order to create a moving average, right? But they don't even think a moving average is anything because it's lagging in price. But yet they want to use support and resistance. Well, every support resistance zone is essentially lagging in price, right? Their zone is lagging in price. But you can't teach a fool or a scammer how to trade. That's a fact. They have to change. And they have to admit that they have a gambling mentality. That just push a button, you have a 50% chance of winning. Or all of these things that you cannot prove. Being able to prove something must be objective, okay? It speaks on its own behalf. We don't speak for the charts don't speak for us. We cannot think that we're supposed to turn a train around just because our stream or my position is gonna go short when price hits resistance. Doesn't happen. Have a great day, traders. I'll see you soon. Peace.